itu.
我靠！我靠！哦，牛逼死了！
Watch the terrifying moments as a massive earthquake hits Vanuatu, Oceania. The ground shakes violently, sending waves through swimming pools and causing widespread destruction. Chaos and panic unfold in an instant. December 2024. California's Santa Cruz Wharf is devastated as massive waves crash down, collapsing parts of the historic pier into the raging sea. A powerful reminder of the ocean's force.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, Mom, back up this way. I don't know if we should be standing out here.
Community clubhouse, Marley. Yeah, our new clubhouse. Group Flaps. Town.
Vamos! Dele!
This is the moment when Guatemala's Fuego volcano erupts, catching people off guard in panic. They run for their lives as a deadly pyroclastic flow chases them. A powerful reminder of nature's uncontrollable force.
The cable's going, guys, the cable.
Wow!
Look at these rivers of molten lava that destroy everything in their path, wiping out homes and livelihoods. This occurred in La Palma, Spain, as a powerful reminder of nature's uncontrollable force.
Lava flow here.
This massive landslide occurred in China, blocking roads and causing widespread destruction.
Oh my god.
Look at, yes I did. Look at that.
Watch as powerful waves hit California's Santa Cruz harbor on December 2024, overturning boats and destroying docks.
Coming back.
In Norway, a home was swept away by powerful floodwaters, crashing into a bridge before it shattered and floated off in pieces, carried by the relentless current. Devastating erosion was captured in Shamsherganj, India, as rising waters swept away homes and damaged structures near the riverbank, leaving residents in despair. A Japanese girl was live streaming when suddenly she received an earthquake warning notification on her phone. Just 5 seconds later, the earthquake struck. Check out this powerful earthquake. A devastating landslide struck Murree, Pakistan, causing destruction and chaos in its path. A massive and powerful eruption of Canlaon volcano unleashed widespread destruction in the Philippines in December 2024.
Get out of the way! Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down!
Look at this terrifying mudslide that occurred in Iran. On a clear day in July 2023, a chilling reminder of nature's unpredictable power.
ببین چی جوری داره میبرش. وای.
Watch as the cars slowly slide down, caught in the path of the landslide.
Agora acabou. Ah, meu Deus, os postes caindo, meu Deus.
In Brazil, at Lagoa do Nado, the dam broke under the immense pressure of water, completely draining and revealing the sheer intensity of this natural disaster. Oh my God, this house was destroyed in just a few seconds. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted, with glowing lava flows bursting from one of its craters, demonstrating the raw power of nature in the United States.
Ó, um já foi, ela. Esse já era. Ali, ó. Esse tchau.
This house was slowly destroyed by floodwaters in India, showcasing the devastating power of nature.
Meu Deus, mano. Ai, meu Deus.
Captured in August 2021, a sudden flash flood quickly submerges properties and vehicles. Floodwaters rise within seconds, submerging streets and carrying debris, showing the storm's intensity. A powerful tornado touched down in Texas as severe storms swept across the state.
Oh my god. You're coming, guys.
There's that tornado right there. I know.
Check out this massive flood covering train tracks in India. A devastating landslide occurred in Indonesia, leaving destruction in its wake.
Lisa. Lisa. Get up. Get down.
This bridge was completely destroyed by floodwaters in India.
That's going to be out of here. Oh my god. That's not
I guarantee that place is rocking.
cool.
Witness the sheer power of this massive storm. Look at this massive hailstorm as it blankets the area, with large hailstones pelting down and causing significant damage to everything in its path.
Check it out.